I'm not in my strongest phase right now, and I'm not in my leanest phase either. It's summer. I'm a little heavier. Abs are there, but they're not razor sharp. But this body was built on strength first, and that's what I want to talk about. A few years ago, all I cared about was getting stronger. Low reps, heavy weight, long rests. I was chasing numbers. I wasn't the leanest guy in the room, but I felt solid. I felt powerful. That's when I realized something. All the aesthetics physiques that I liked, those guys were all strong first. You can't have strength without building muscle, and you can't have muscle without building strength. They feed each other. Right now, I'm in a more of a look good phase. It's summer. I'm a bit heavier. My abs are there, but they're not as sharp as they could be. I'm doing more pump work, more volume, more aesthetic style training. And I'm okay with that because I know I built a strength base already. I'm not pretending I'm in a max strength block right now, but I am planning to get back to it. Here's how I think about it now in simple terms. Aesthetics is basically building muscle so you can look good. Strength is being able to actually use that muscle, move heavy weight, feel solid. You can't really separate them. When you train to get stronger, you usually build some muscle. When you train to build muscle, you need a base of strength to keep progressing. The science people call the muscle building side hypertrophy. I like to think in phases 6 to 8 months where I lean more into strength, heavier weight, lower reps, longer rests. Then phases where I push more volume and focus on how I look. For me, if I'm chasing strength, anything around 3 to 10 reps with heavy weights feel good. For muscle, I'll go higher, anywhere from 10 up to even 20 to 25 reps, just getting a pump. So if today I said, all right, forget aesthetics for a second. I've only got 30 minutes. I want to focus on strength. Here's exactly how I'll do it. I'll pick a main lift, like a bench press, a pull up, or a squat. I'll do 3 to 5 sets of 3 to 6 reps. Heavy with real rest in between, no rushing. Then I'll pick a secondary lift, like a row, incline press, or a RDL. I'll do 3 sets of 5 to 8 solid reps, still heavy, but smoother. And to finish, I'll do some aesthetic work like curls, tricep pushdowns, lateral raises, 2 to 3 quick sets just to get the pump and leave the gym feeling good. And to progress, I'll keep it simple. Add a little bit of weight or set over time, not every session, just over weeks and months. That's how you look better and get stronger without overcomplicating it. I'm not at peak strength right now and I'm not at my leanness, but I'm okay with that because I built a strength foundation first. I know that cuts and aesthetics come and go with sleep and nutrition, but if you build strength first, you will always have a solid foundation. If you're in a similar spot right now, maybe not your strongest, maybe not your leanest, drop a comment and tell me what phase you at right now.